We just saw this one from the road, and we think that this is bad. How this pity. Ano yan, yung balay, te? Yan. So, they take it here. Naa mo nagpuyo, dire? Dugay na mo, dire? Di man day mo sa una? Nga nang nibalhin man mo?
Kuan po dito, ibalik ya sa kahugangan ba?
They're just here for 3 months. They're in the other side, and then his in-law sold the land, so they transferred here.
So they're only staying here 3 months?
No, 3 months ago.
They've been
Yeah,
here
they've
for
been
3
here
months.
for 3 months.
And this is the house.
Yeah.
Can we look inside?
Kubanite.
May po rin amo. Daanan.
Hi, this is James Street. If you're waiting for a side change,
May po sa may daanan.
So how many people live here?
Pila mo kabuk nagpuyo, dire? Pwede pagmunday? No, I told him to stop. Pila mo ka tao dire nagpuyo, te?
Kuan me. Iyang anak. Tulo. Oh, tulo. 7.
7,
Walo din.
8.
8 people?
Yeah, 8 people living this.
Wow. So they have another bedroom there.
Yeah. Look at,
One here. Hi.
it's not, you can go anywhere outside.
They come out.
There's a big hall, so they can jump up, or anyone can come in without using the door.
It's not secure.
Yeah. And there's another bed here.
Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4 children?
Upat ka bata, day? Tulo? Yeah.
Just 4 children?
3, and then the adult.
Unom ni kabata.
Unom ka bata?
Unom. Siyam dito dito.
Yeah, it's 6 kids, and now they said there are 9 here. So they're a little bit confusion on counting who's sleeping in this house.
Ay, napo, ay.
Now the mother says that 10.
Napo, dahil may kapok dito.
Yeah,
Now the mother says 10.
yeah. I remember also that she's the one also asking help. So I just noticed that it's
She came up to the house and
Yeah.
asked for help?
just on the road.
Right. Okay. And are they able to build on this?
Kisa man ning yuta,
same
te.
place?
Imuha ning yuta, it's their house, it's their land.
It's their land. So there's no problem or no issue.
Yeah, there's no problem. Inday, usa man
How-
mong sudan.
Tinapad ko na.
Tinapa og kamunggay, sardinas og kamunggay. Yeah, and it's dirt floor.
How will she feel about us building a house?
Unsa may mong gibati og balayan ka, ay mo ang kagbalay. Yeah, they will be very great happy. Yeah, because we passed this house for a few weeks now, and we said that this is a good one because look at that, there's just some used corrugated iron, and there's a lot of hole, and also
I can see that.
yeah.
So does she know that we
There's
would
no
knock
safety.
this house down?
Kung balayan ka na mo, amo ning gubon ha.
Iswag na ito.
Yeah.
Yes? And that
Gub-
would- that would-
Gubon ni siya. Okay.
Iswag dito.
Dili iiswa gubon gyud.
Gubon lagi niya ato lang dito eh.
Dito to koron. Yeah, this area here.
Kaya listen po rin ibalik.
Yeah.
So we build there and then knock this one down.
Yeah. Susabot ta gubon eh. Dili nga nga unya na lang. Gubon ha. Sabot ta.
Does she understand
Yeah.
that?
Kaya ang may tabo magudi, kung di nagubon, nagyapoy mo puyo. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, tell her we can't promise, but we will.
Mag-ampo lang tate nga na ay mutabang sa inyo ha.
Well,
Yeah.
I think we're going to try very hard. We're going to try very hard.
Hindi, day? Gutom? Yeah, that's
And
delicious.
is there a husband for this young lady? honey?
Asan di mong bana, day? Asan trabaho? Ha? Tagbilan. Ano sa may trabaho? Construction? Yeah, the husband is working in Tagbilaran as a construction worker. Yeah.
Okay. Well, this looks like it. We would hope that this would be house number 25, and so here we are. We're hoping to do 100 houses this year, so we need to get moving. And this is going to be number 3 for this year, number 3 of our 100. So this is a foreigner in the Philippines. Thanks for all your support. Please like, comment, and subscribe. But also, if you can share this video, because it might touch someone who may be willing to help this family. So this is it. Bye for now.